Yummy crayfish selling by the man is with so yummy one crayfish only $3.50 so yummy food. Now we have only two more crayfish left because it's August. So she's selling every day. So nearly only one more than because so many people bought it. One day she said around we can say 20 to 100 fish, crayfish. So yummy. The street national 6A, national 0. So many people in there on this. Lots of people. Looks so yummy. Crayfish. See? Yeah, crayfish. You can call the stomach cow. So, yummy. Crayfish. So yummy. Make you hungry, everyone. I always bought it for evening time. For the crayfish, yummy. It's so good. Another one crayfish with the yummy and soft fish. Sauce, vegetable. Uh, Made you hungry. I hope you guys like it. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you guys like. See you next video. Uh, this the vegetable with the sauce so yummy. Thank you. Yeah. I see one crayfish done. So can keep it. Hope you guys like it. Yummy. I keep here for one. Yeah, here. Keep here for one. Thank you guys. Hope you guys like it. See you next video. Good luck. Bye.